Around the US, hot dogs come in many unique styles. In Alaska, there's something called a reindeer dog. It's basically a hot dog made from a mix of reindeer meat and either pork or beef. It's usually topped with grilled onions coated in a sweet Coca-Cola glaze. Even though the most famous vendor in Anchorage passed away in 2016 and the hype slowed down, you can still find these dogs being sold by street vendors. Some cities like Denver and Portland even serve their own version, sometimes adding cream cheese in a Seattle-style twist. In Los Angeles, late-night street vendors sell what's known as the Danger Dog. This hot dog is wrapped in bacon and grilled right on street carts. It's loaded with fried onions, peppers, and jalapenos. Health officials call them danger dogs because many sellers don't have licenses, but people still love them for their smoky taste and low price. In Chicago, there's even a version where the hot dog is stuffed with cheese and deep fried. Hawaii has its own version called the puka dog. Instead of slicing the bun open, the sausage is placed inside a hole in the bread. The inside of the bun is toasted, and it's filled with sauces like garlic lemon, fruity relishes, and spicy mustard. It was created in 2000 by a Swiss artist who originally tried to attract people to her gallery, but her hot dogs became more popular than her artwork. Chicago-style hot dogs are very specific. They use a beef sausage in a poppy seed bun and must follow a strict order of toppings: mustard, relish, onions, peppers, tomato slices, a pickle, and celery salt. Ketchup is not allowed at all. This style became so popular that Chicago now has more hot dog stands than major fast food chains combined. In Washington, D.C., the half smoke is a bigger and spicier sausage, usually made with a mix of pork and beef. It has a rough texture and is served with onions, herbs, and chili sauce. It became more famous after being enjoyed by well-known figures like Obama and Dave Chappelle. Georgia has something called the scrambled dog. It's served in a dish instead of a bun and mixed together with chili, onions, cheese, pickles, and crackers. It's messy, so it usually comes with lots of napkins. Philadelphia introduced a combo back in 1895 that mixes a hot dog with fish cake and pepper hash, combining both seafood and meat flavors. Today, it's mostly ordered by older generations. At Dodger Stadium, the famous Dodger dog has been served since the 1960s. It's a long pork hot dog placed in a simple bun and has become a symbol of baseball culture in LA. The corn dog, where a sausage is covered in batter and fried on a stick, likely started in fairs during the 1940s. Today, it's popular worldwide, including in Japan and South Korea with their own variations. In Seattle, a vendor named Hadley Long created bagel dogs by wrapping hot dogs inside bagels with cream cheese. They became a popular late-night snack. Kansas City offers the Reuben dog, combining a hot dog with toppings like sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, and dressing, inspired by the classic sandwich. Idaho has a creative twist where the hot dog is baked inside a potato instead of bread, topped like a loaded baked potato with cheese, sour cream, and bacon. The Sonoran dog comes from Mexico but became popular in Arizona. It's wrapped in bacon and packed with beans, tomatoes, onions, salsa, and more, making it one of the most loaded hot dogs out there. The Texas Tommy, despite its name, started in Pennsylvania. It's a sliced hot dog filled with cheese, wrapped in bacon, and cooked until crispy. In New Jersey, the Italian hot dog replaces the bun with thick bread and adds fried peppers, onions, and potatoes. Cincinnati is known for its Skyline chili dog, topped with a unique chili that includes spices like cinnamon and is covered with shredded cheese and onions. In Ohio, Tony Paco's became famous for its Hungarian-style hot dog and even gained national attention after being featured on TV. Cleveland's Polish Boy is a heavy meal made with sausage, fries, coleslaw, and barbecue sauce all in one. Maine is known for its bright red hot dogs, called red snappers, which have a distinct snap when you bite into them. Japa Dog is a fusion-style hot dog that mixes Japanese flavors like teriyaki and seaweed with a traditional hot dog. In New York's Hudson Valley, mini hot dogs are served in small buns and often eaten in large quantities. North Carolina serves hot dogs with coleslaw, chili, and mustard, giving them a sweet and tangy flavor. At Rutt's Hut, their famous Ripper hot dogs are deep fried until the skin bursts open, creating a crispy texture loved by fans.